Welcome to the next lesson, Structuring Sponsored Ad Campaigns for Success. In this lesson, we're going to cover campaign types, keyword match type objectives within our strategy, the problem that comes with using multiple match types together, and the solution and most efficient campaign structure. There are three campaign types we will be using: automatic campaigns, manual campaigns, and product targeting campaigns. So automatic campaigns match your ad with keywords and products that are similar to the products in your ad. Amazon chooses keyword and product matches for you based on shopper searches related to your product listing information, such as your title, bullets, and description. Amazon uses multiple default strategies on your behalf to match your ad to a shopper looking for your product. Your ad will be eligible to show in the search results if your product closely or loosely matches search results from the shoppers. It's very quick and easy to set up, and good for finding new keywords to target. This is our objective with an automatic campaign. Manual campaigns. Manual targeting allows you to specifically target keywords and products. You can manually define the keyword and the bid rates in manual campaigns, and manual campaigns are more precise, as they help you achieve a target ACoS value and maximize sales. Combined with keyword match types, auto and manual targeting allow us to design a campaign strategy and structure to get the most out of our advertising, budget, and effort. So let's look at campaign structure. You manage your advertising inside of the Campaign Manager within Seller Central. Each keyword match type has a different objective in our advertising strategy, and to be successful with advertising, we need to take a precision approach to advertising. We want each match type to do its own job and not the job of the other two match types. So on the right hand side, you can see you go to Advertising, Campaign Manager. There is a hierarchy in the management of advertising on Amazon, which starts with the campaign. The next level down is the ad group, and finally your products that sit within that ad group. And there are different settings we can configure at each level of this hierarchy. Keyword targeting is at ad group level, and you can set negative keywords at campaign and ad group level. So on the right hand side, you can see this is a campaign level, as it says all campaigns and then campaign. And you can see you have different options at campaign level. The next one down shows an ad group. As you can see, it goes all campaigns, campaign, ad group. And again, there are different options at this level of the hierarchy. As I said, each keyword match type has a different objective in our advertising strategy. So with Exact Match, the objective of Exact Match in our campaign strategy is to target search terms that are proven to convert and have generated sales. Having this campaign separate allows us to have campaign level settings apply to Exact Match terms only, therefore applying special settings to proven keywords only. These will be our top converting keywords, and grouping them together gives our Exact Match campaign a boost in key metrics of Amazon's algorithm. We will win more of the ad auction because of our campaign relevancy, such as our click-through rates, conversion rates, etc. And the best way to think about our Exact Match campaign is all of the keywords in our Exact Match campaign are winning keywords and will boost each other's performance. Overall, the performance of that campaign will be higher because every keyword in that campaign is performing, and this is going to have a positive influence on us winning the ad auction. Phrase match. The objective of our phrase match campaign in our advertising strategy is to find new search terms that are closely related to our proven search terms in our Exact Match campaign. It's not as precise as Exact Match, and you do share your bid with other keywords, which means we can never really achieve an optimum bid. So for example, if I have great performance and ACoS for the search term premium taco holder, but terrible performance for taco holder stainless steel, do I increase or reduce the bid for taco holder phrase match keyword to reduce that ACoS and improve the performance on the poorly performing term? There is no correct answer, because if I was to reduce the bid on taco holder as a phrase match keyword, whilst it would improve the performance of my poorly performing taco holder stainless steel search term, it would also have a negative impact on my great performing term premium taco holder, as phrase match would affect both of these customer search terms. This is why we move the converting search terms, our proven winners, into an Exact Match campaign. Broad match. The objective of broad match in our campaign strategy is to find new terms that are loosely related without overlapping with our phrase or exact match terms. So it's important to remember before we go any further, Amazon advertising works using an auction. The higher you bid on a keyword, the more likely you are to win the auction and get placed higher with your ad. And relevancy and your campaign performance metrics also influence this decision. So the problem with using multiple match types throughout our campaigns, if we were to bid $1.50 on taco holder as an exact match keyword and $1.25 on taco holder as a phrase match keyword, if we were ever to lower our bid to less than $1.25 on our exact match, you are now losing to phrase match, meaning the exact match never actually receives the bid you've set. This is also a problem in the case of achieving an optimal bid on our exact match keyword, because our phrase match now has data in it from a keyword that will never be moved out, because the exact match is losing the auction. So what's the solution? It's called negative matching. So on the right hand side, I have my instruction configured within my campaign and the results within the auction. So I instruct my campaign to bid $1.25 on taco holder as a phrase match. The result of this in the auction is that I bid $1.25 on taco holder as a phrase match, but in this instance I'm not winning the auction because I have my bid on taco holder set as $1.50 in exact match. $1.50 is more than $1.25 and therefore wins the auction. So my taco holder exact match wins the bid auction, but let's say it's performing at 75% ACOS and we want to lower the bid to improve that ACOS. So we reduce our bid to 75 cents on taco holder exact match because it's been performing poorly. So I go ahead and instruct the auction to bid 75 cents on taco holder exact match. But because we have taco holder phrase match set at $1.25, the exact match is now losing the bid to the phrase match within our auction. Phrase match is now not doing its job of finding new keywords, and instead of our intended 75 cents exact match, phrase match takes over and starts acting like exact match, meaning my instruction of taco holder phrase match within my campaign at $1.25 is now winning the auction. And we are inadvertently bidding on taco holder for $1.25 where you actually wanted to be bidding at 75 cents because my phrase match campaign has won that auction from a higher bid and taken over my exact match campaign. So the solution to competing keywords is to explicitly tell Amazon that you do not want your phrase match keywords to bid on the same things as your exact match keywords. This solution enables your phrase matches to only find new keywords, and we do the same with broad type keywords too. We use broad match keywords and add the negative phrase match for the same keyword. And by doing this, a negative phrase match of the same keyword will have broad bid on only search terms that phrase will not bid on. So my instruction within the auction and the result. So I set up my campaign to bid on taco holder as a phrase match at $1.25, but then also negative exact match taco holder in the ad group. So the result of this is my phrase match campaign only targets premium taco holder stainless steel, best taco holder for home, but it won't bid on taco holder or taco holders because we've explicitly told the auction not to target taco holder exact match. I then set taco holder exact match within my exact match campaign to a $1.50 bid. Taco holder exact match wins the bid auction because it's $1.50, which is more than $1.25. But let's say I go ahead and change my taco holder exact match to 75 cents because it was performing poorly. Taco holder exact match still wins the bid because we've told the phrase match campaign it's not allowed to bid on this exact match term, and this means we're accurately changing the bid and the bids we want to set within our keyword targeting, which, as we know, will have a direct effect on our ACOS and profitability of our advertising. We then set taco holder broad match campaign with a $1 bid, and you'll notice that's the lowest bid out of the 3 match types, and negative phrase taco holder in the ad group. This means the auction will bid on holder for tacos stainless steel because taco holder is in there in any order, or best holder of tacos, again because taco holder is in there in any order, but it will not bid on taco holder stand or best taco holder for home because we've explicitly told our broad campaign it's not allowed to bid on phrase match taco holder, and those terms have taco holder in the correct order, in the correct format within those broad search terms. This is a key understanding that if you can get clarity on and understand, will revolutionize the way that you run Amazon advertising and be one of the major contributing factors towards your success on Amazon. So if we take a look at the final campaign structure, this is what it looks like. We have our campaign types and keywords. We have our negative matches set at ad group level, and we have the result. So we have an exact match campaign with, for example, taco holder and best taco holder set as our keyword targets. There is no negative match keywords in our exact match campaign because there's nothing below exact match. This means the auction will bid on taco holder, taco holders, best taco holder, best taco holders, single and plural. We then set up a separate phrase match campaign and we enter taco holder and best taco holder again. In this instance, we negative exact those same keywords, taco holder and best taco holder. So the result of this in the auction would be that our phrase match campaign bids on taco holder for kids, heat resistant taco holder for kitchen, because taco holder appears in the correct order within those search terms. However, phrase would not be allowed to bid on taco holder or taco holders because we've explicitly told our phrase campaign it's not allowed to bid on those exact terms within the auction. Therefore, it's not overlapping with our exact match campaign or doing the job of our exact match campaign, which is to target our proven winning terms. We then set up a third campaign type, which is our broad match campaign. And again, we set taco holder and best taco holder as our target keywords in this example. We negative phrase match those terms. So we negative phrase taco holder and negative phrase best taco holder. And in this instance, the auction would bid on holder for taco cookware or holder heat resistant taco because taco and holder appear in any order within that search term. However, it would not bid on the best taco holder because we've set best taco holder as a negative phrase match, meaning any search term where that keyword appears in that correct order, it will not be allowed to bid on, meaning that broad campaign is not overlapping with our phrase campaign and is not doing the job of our phrase, which is finding new, closely related keywords to our proven keywords, and instead our broad campaign is finding new, loosely related keywords that are not found in our phrase match campaign. If we take this a level further, you will then see two additional rows at the bottom of this table. The first is our auto campaign. We have no negative match keywords right now. However, we can and will add negative keywords to this as we optimize that campaign. And the result of this is that auto campaign will automatically target keywords, and our objective is keyword research, and we keep our auto campaign at the lowest bid to go and find new terms without overlapping or winning the auction on any of our other campaign types. The final is product targeting. So using product targeting, we can target competitor product listings with product display ads that we believe we are more attractive than, and when the shopper is looking at our competitors' listings, we have the potential to bring them to our listing and generate that sale. When setting up, we won't set any negative matches, and within product targeting campaigns, we have the ability to tell the auction not to target a specific product on Amazon. So the final result on Amazon within the campaign manager looks like this. So in this image, we have a total of 4 different campaigns for our face cream: broad, phrase, exact, auto, and targets. Targets being our product targeting. And here we have a view of our broad match ad group within the campaign. And if I click on targeting, you can see the target keywords. And because this is a broad campaign, you can see the keyword match type is broad. If I then click negative targeting, you will see that I've negative targeted men's face cream and men face cream as a negative phrase within our structure. So this is just an example. And in the next few videos, we're going to walk through exactly how to set this up. In this lesson, we covered each campaign type and keyword match type has its own objective. So in this lesson, we covered each campaign type and keyword match type has its own objective. Using negative keyword matching, we can ensure that each match type does its job and achieves its own objective. And finally, we discovered the final campaign structure we are going to implement. In the next lesson, we're going to set up our Amazon advertising campaigns, also known as PPC campaigns. I'll see you there.